a representative of the future generation, Ms. Yugaratna Srivatava, age 13, from India.
Respected UN Secretary General Mr. Ban Ki-moon, honorable dignitaries in August Assembly, I'm 13 years young Yugaratna from organization Tarumitra, meeting Friends of Trees, an NGO with 1,600 high schools involved in promoting environmental awareness. I feel privileged to represent children and youth, the 3 billion of the world population in this summit. I'm so much concerned about climate change because I don't want our future generations to question us, just as I'm questioning the need for more concrete action on climate change today. We received a clean and a healthy planet from our ancestors, and we are gifting a damaged one to our successors. What sort of justice is this? Honorable Excellencies, we need to call for an action now. We have to protect the earth, not just for us, but for our future generations. If not here, then where? If not now, then when? If not us, then who?